This is Dr. Edwards, and if you are facilitating a chat this week, or if you plan to facilitate a chat in the next few weeks, here is a short and very quick video focused on how you can get prepared for your chat. Okay, so if you go to, for instance, this is 5310. And the way that if you're enrolled in both courses, the 5310 and the 5311, I want you guys to remember that the 5311 course is associated with emergency communication and as well as with the census. And so consider that to be 911. So it's 5311. So anything with 11 is focused on emergency communication. So therefore, that is that class. If you see 5310, that is a rural class. Okay. So I wanted you guys to keep that in mind. Now, let's go to your chats. So if you look at the very bottom of the screen, it has all of our chat dates. So I facilitated the first chat, so I will track through that. And then the second chat was facilitated by these amazing people. And then the next chat will be facilitated by these individuals here. So the next chat is focused on how can social media like Facebook and Instagram bring people in rural environments together. Which social media is the most important for people in rural areas? And if there we go. Most important for people in rural areas. So I am actually going to click that, copy that, and then I am going to go to the chat for week 3. So if we look at let's see, there we are. If we look at this screen, so this is something that we will update each week. This has our chat template. This has the second week. This has the third week. So since we're on the third week, you guys who are facilitating can type on this sheet. And so 5 days before, 3 days before, this will always be the same. So facilitator 1, who is this person, 1 second. Facilitator 1, who is Braden or Becknell Braden, then they will actually type or copy this to their tweet deck. If you missed a tweet deck video, it is a video from last week, and if you can't find it, please let me know. I am at DRJT Edwards. So on this particular sheet, I want Braden or Brecknell Braden to copy this and to paste this on the tweet deck. And then when this is pasted, then actually they would paste this and this. So the hashtag, so you don't have to keep typing them every time. And then also the text. So this will be the same each week, no matter what. So then we get into the actual questions. Think RuleCom is only 15 minutes away, then that is going to be the same every week as well. And also don't forget to highlight the hashtags as well. Also, here is something that is different. It says, welcome to tonight's rural communication chat. Tonight's topic is, and this says, bringing people together in rural environments on social media. And actually for this week, tonight's topic is, how can social media like Facebook and Instagram bring people in rural environments together? Which social media is the most important for people in rural areas? Okay, so you always have this information, which is your topic. And then here's tonight's icebreaker. Maybe, which is your favorite? Which is your favorite? Facebook or Instagram? Okay, so that is listed here. So Brecknell Braden would highlight this text, and so that would be pasted on TweetDeck. When the individual gets finished pasting that, they will type an X here, letting me and also all of your classmates know that that information has been updated and also that is complete. Now, let's look at the rest of the question. So this one is the same no matter what. So it's just a reminder about how to participate, and they will schedule that for 8:31 p.m. Okay, so this is question number 1, and I will not do all of these questions, but just to give you a hint. So this question is a personal nature. So since we already asked them which is their favorite social platform, is it Facebook or Instagram, we probably don't want to ask this one again. So which features on Facebook or Instagram are your favorite? Or maybe which 2 features? Tell us about them. Okay, next one, advice. And this is always an advice question. Facilitator 1, we're still on you. What advice would you give to someone running a local government account? So we are going to delete everything except the what advice and maybe rural area. So what advice would you give we'll just say an older adult, we'll just say between 50 and 70, about using Instagram? What is the most important thing for them to know? Okay, so we have that one. And I know it says older adults, so we'll just say, and we have to relate it to rural areas. So older adult in a rural area about using Instagram, and we'll just say Facebook or Instagram. Okay, but the person who is facilitator one will change this to meet the advice need for the question, make sure that it's rural, and then they would also copy the hashtags. Scavenger hunt, you want them to find something. So maybe find a Instagram account focused on rural life in the United States. So they would go and they would type a question about that. Then and I would do all of these at one time, and then I would bring up the TweetDeck and I would copy them over to TweetDeck, and it actually copies very nicely. If you missed that in the last video, please go see it, and we'll go from there. But if you have any questions, please let me know. These are Facilitator 2's questions, same concept, and these are the times, and that is it. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. I am at drjt Edwards, or also you can send me a message on Canvas, and I will see you guys later. Have a good day, everyone.